Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to online class. English first paper, class 6. Mohammadpur Government High School, Mohammadpur, Dhaka. I am MD Amanul Wahab Khan, Assistant Teacher, Mohammadpur Government High School, Mohammadpur, Dhaka, is with you today's class. Today I am going to talk you about lesson 32. What should we do? English for today, page number 95 to 96. Dear student, our aim is to be, after completing the lesson, students will be able to read and understand texts, read and understand written instructions, write questions and answers, write short paragraphs. Here is a picture. What should we do? In the pictures, they are thinking what they would be. Now you will read a dialogue. Please listen and remember the dialogue carefully. Read the following dialogues. Bahar, Azim, Joseph and Sujan are classmates. They are planning a vacation. Bahar, we have a week's vacation next week. What should I do? Azim, let's go somewhere we haven't been before. Joseph, right, I saw an ad for an interesting place. Home. Well, here it is. Bahar, let me say, a 2-day trip to Kuakata. What sound interesting. Look at the picture of the sea beach and the sunrise. It looks fantastic. Azim, well, I have always wanted to climb a mountain. Why don't we go to the Chimbuk Mountains in Bandarban? Sujan, I have an idea. How about going to the Sundarban? We can see some wild animals and can also take pictures of forests and the sea. Bahar, well, come down everybody. We can't go to all the places and do all the things at a time, right? Joseph, yeah, let's think about all the options and then decide. Dear listener, make a list of the places the friends wanted to go to. Why did they wanted to go to these places? You must answer or write. The friends wanted to go to 1. Kuakata Sea Beach, 2. Chimbuk Hill or Mountain, and 3. Sundarban. They wanted to go those places because these places are most famous in our country, although that was their personal interest. One of the friends chose Kuakata. He thought they could enjoy the sea beach and sunrise. The second one chose Chimbuk Hill. He had wanted to climb up a hill. And the third one chose Sundarbans. He wanted to see some wild animals and take pictures of the forest, also a sea. Now, watch 3 videos. Which places the friends wanted to visit? Please note that. Why they wanted to go to those places? Where are those locations? What is importance of those places? Kuakata Sea Beach. Kuakata Sea Beach is located in the southeast side of Bangladesh. It is one of the most popular of two beaches in Bangladesh. As per natural view, Kuakata is called Sagor Konna. There is a lot of places where you can see and enjoy. Libul Bon, তিন নদীর মোহনা, গঙ্গামতি চর, লাল কাঁকড়ার দ্বীপ, রাখাইন পল্লী, বুদ্ধিস্ট টেম্পল, 200 years old boat etc. are the most visited places. Chimbuk Hills. Chimbuk Hills is one of the unique places of natural beauty in Bangladesh. The hill is called the Queen of the Hills. The Shangu River can be seen on the way from Thanchi to Chimbuk Hills. Chimbuk Hills is located 23 km from Bandarban town. It is about 2,500 feet above sea level. Chimbuk Hills is the third largest mountain in Bangladesh. The Sundarbans is another land of natural beauty in Bangladesh. The natural importance of the Sundarbans is much higher. It is the largest mangrove forest in the world. Sundarbans is the Pachu land of many species of animals, birds and reptiles. The world famous Royal Bengal tiger can be seen there. The Sundarban is full of different types of trees including Sunduri, Gewa, Keura, etc. It is believed that the Sundarbans was named after the Sunduri tree. Dear student, you have seen the video clips. What is your expressions? Would you like to visit there? Have you another choice to visit any places? Think of a place you would like to go to. Now write down a few sentences about where you want to go, why you want to go there, who you want to go with. You can write down, I would like to go Cox's Bazar, a wonderful location which is situated at the south side of Bangladesh. There are many nice places in Bangladesh. Cox's Bazar is the most beautiful place among them. Cox's Bazar sea beach is very charming. It is a remarkable place in our developing country in respect of natural beauty. Many people come to visit this sea beach every year. Cox's Bazar is famous for the sea beach and the natural beauty. A few days ago, my family and I went to visit the Cox's Bazar sea beach for its attraction. My family, went there by bus from Dhaka to see it with our own eyes. After a nice journey, we arrived there. Arriving there, we were astonished to see the real appearance of the sea beach. It is a gift of Almighty Allah. Only Allah has created such kind of nice place in our country. Here is attested some pictures about Cox's Bazar. You can match yourself with your memories. Cox's Bazar Sea Beach. There are many places such as on Cox's Bazar and Cox's Bazar Sea Beach. Dear student, here is language focus. We often use these expressions. What should we do? Why don't we dash? How about? Let's, etc. We can use them. What should we go? Why don't we learn the science? How about you and your family? Let's go to visit Cox's Bazar, etc. Write short dialogue for the following situations. Use the expression in the language focus. You should use these clues: poster drawing, wall magazine, drama, etc. You and your friends want to do a class project. Discuss and decide what you wanted to do. Tomis, Rahat, Sujan and Mamun are classmates. They are talking about demerits of smoking. Here is a conversation against smoking. Tomis: tomorrow is holiday. What should we do? Rahat: let's do something different. Sujan: you are right. Do you have any idea? Mamun: why don't we think about social welfare? Tomis: well, I have an idea about it. Mamun: what is your idea? Tomis: oh yes, designing a poster against smoking. Rahat: it's really a great idea. Tomis: let's sit together tomorrow at the afternoon to design the poster. Everyone, it's great. Write another short dialogue for the following situations. Use the expressions in the language focus. You and your friends want to buy a gift for your teacher on his or her birthday. Suppose Tomiz, Rahat, Sujon and Mamun are friends. They are talking about buying a gift for their teacher. Make a conversation on it. Tomiz, Rahat, Sujon and Mamun are friends. They are talking about buying a gift for their teacher. Tomiz, dear friends, coming Friday is the birthday of our teacher, Mr. Hossain. He is very nice teacher. What should we do? Rahat, let's buy a gift for him for his birthday. Sujon, good idea. But what should we buy for him? Mamun, I think we should buy a book for him. Tomiz, which book? Mamun, it may be Sanchita. Rahat, buying a book for him is not a good idea. Sujon, I also think so. Tomiz, have you any idea please? Sujon, yes, I have. Why don't we buy a bunch of fresh flowers for him? Everyone, you are right. We can buy flowers for him. Flower is the best gift. Tomiz, thanks everybody. Let's buy flowers for him. Thanks again all. Dear student, have you any questions or inquiry? Please mail me or call me. Here is my email address and cell phone number. No more today. Inshallah, see you next class. Till then, keep yourself healthy and safe. Have a nice time. The next class inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.